Hi everyone, not done a video for a while. It's been one thing and another. It's been work. I've been working on at home as well, which has delayed things. Weather, daylight, you name it, and then the drone broke. So I thought today, managed to finish work early. Thought come down Deep Pit. On the way here, I've come through Atherton, absolute glorious sunshine. Got to Inley, we're in a pea super. Anyway, don't think I'm going to be able to get the drone up today anyway with that, so I'll just do what I can given the weather. So I'm on the Aspel side of the bridge at the moment, from the train station side, if that makes sense, everyone. So just having a look here, there's been a little bit of progress since the last video, which I think was actually last year, back end of November, I think I last put it up. But we can see here, we've got the actual foundations for the bridge now built. Now, I have noticed just before I logged on, there's some safety features been put on the actual bridge, because I believe now the wires are actually live. So I'm just going to end this clip and just nip down and start again in a second. So still on the Aspel side, looking towards the bridge. Now, like I said, the wires, I believe, are now live. So public access isn't allowed to the bridge obviously yet, but I'm guessing for the safety of the workers, they've already put in place the perspex corrugated sheeting, I think it is, over the top of the wires, so that if anybody did fall through or reach through, they're not going to come into contact with the wires. Now, I'm not going to be able to get the drone up. It's just simply it's too foggy. I don't know how well it's showing up on camera, but it is foggy. So let's have a little bit of a zoom in over to the other side. So looking over towards the Inley side, looks pretty much a similar situation there, where they've just got the foundations in for the bridge to sit on now, which it's going to be sat on in the future. So I'll stay on this side of the bridge, but I'll go around to the other side. So I'm still on the Aspel side of the bridge, but I'm now coming around to the other side, which is what I call the Makerfield Way side. And it looks like the bridge is now actually sat on its new foundations. So I'm guessing, obviously I can't see without sending the drone up, which is not going to happen. Both sides like it, definitely are on this. So if we do zoom in, see that's the new foundations that it's going to set on. Just looking at the bridge again, you can see a bit better on this side where they got the protective sheeting because of the electric wires. But it's not too bad. It is just over the actual tracks. So you've still got the disused section where the fast lines used to go through, where you can still see the trains coming, etc. So a little zoom in. It's best I can do, unfortunately, with this, everyone, because of the weather. But it looks pretty much the same over that side, doesn't it? So yeah, I'm guessing the next thing they're going to do is to put the access ramps up. I think that's the only thing they've got left to do on this. And anyway, try and keep an eye on the project. So if you can like, subscribe to the channel, I'd really appreciate it. And I'll catch you again next time. Cheers, everyone.